Hi guys, we're making hot chocolate bomb. Yeah, like that. So make it. Okay. Oh, which one?
So we are going to make it. We're gonna cheat. So we're using a Kinder Surprise.
Mom, can
And
I
then-
eat these after?
Well, open nga Rod. So you open your Kinder Surprise. These are so delicious. And then we're gonna open it and use the knife.
Mom, can I cut it and what's inside it?
Damdama. And then we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut where they had the slowly so you don't break your egg. Whoa. It's fun too because they have a little toys.
Mom, can you open it?
Damdama, we're making a chocolate bomb. So, after that, sa'yo yan, sa akin yan. Nay, di ka mga gentle See, you're breaking it. You have to be very gentle with them. Okay, so then lalagyan natin ng, we put the toys dito sa side, and this one on the side. So, which one is, ate, you can have this. So, lagyan, no, not, mga kanan. So, we're gonna put chocolate and side. Okay. And can you put some in here?
Ooh, can you like that?
Close. Wait lang. And cover the edges. Wait lang. Oh, it's melting. Go. Chocolate bomb. Do you like it, La? Chocolate.
I want to make sure.
It melted. I'll put some more marshmallows. And cheers. Drink. Yum. Thumbs up lah. Kita ka. Thumbs up. She loves chocolate. She loves chocolate. was that? Cheers again. Bye. Any más?
Mhm.